Okay, so a bit of modelling now. Part A asks us why £15 would not be sensible as a selling price for this toy if the amount of money that they're going to make in hundreds of thousands of pounds, thousands of pounds, is going to be modelled by that formula. Well, the best thing to do is just smack it into the calculator. So it's 100 take 6.25, and then x, well, x is the selling price of the toy, which is 15. So you could write 6 for 15 take 9, but just put it in exactly as it is there, press equals, and it says minus 125. So what that means is it would make a loss of, and then you just need to put £125,000 to show that you've worked out what's going on. And if you want to, you could probably be a good idea to write that down as you're working as well. Find, according to the model, the least possible selling price for the toy. That is, if they're going to make a profit of more than 80,000. Well, the thing to do is find out what it would cost if they did make a profit of that. There's going to be two things because it's a quadratic. So let's pop that in. In fact, we've got it up there. I could do it from there, couldn't I? So if that is equal to 80,000. Now, this is already in thousands, so we just need to put 80 there, don't we? Right, so if I take 80 from both sides, that would give me 20. And then if I take that over to the other side and expand the bracket, that would give me 6.25, and my bracket is going to be x squared take 18x plus 81. So if we divide by 6.25, 20 divided by 6.25 is 3.2, is equal to x squared take 18x plus 81. So then if we take that across so that it equals 0, x squared take 18x take 3.2 then x we could find, either chuck it into the calculator or you could use minus b plus or minus b squared, so that would be 18 squared take 4 times 1 times 77.8 all over 2a, so that's 2 times 1 is 2. Put that into the calculator and you should get that, which goes to 10.788. I'm just going to write it down like that for now. Or if I went here, I got my other value of, always just have to check which one's smaller, or 7.211. Now we want our smallest value, so we don't want that one. We want this one, but this is the least possible amount that's going to sell more than. So £7.21 is actually going to be slightly less, isn't it? So therefore, the least possible selling price is going to be 1 penny up from 7.21, 7.22. Right, now the next bit, not too difficult actually. The maximum possible annual profit is going to be what you get when you're taking away the least possible amount. So it's actually halfway between those two values, is exactly 9. The reason I know that is that that's going to make this bracket worth 0. So you'll be taking nothing away from the 100. So the maximum possible annual profit would be £100,000, and the selling price of the toy that maximises that is going to be what makes the bracket equal 0, which is £9.